This is Math Studies, Section 4.4, Dependent Events. Dependent events are events that affect each other. For example, if you draw a card from a standard deck, don't replace it, and then draw another card, the subsequent card is affected by the first card that was drawn. To find the probability of two dependent events, A and B, you take the probability of A times the probability of B given that A has already happened. That's what this notation means. P, B, line A is the probability of B given that A has happened. Example A, a jar contains 4 red marbles, 3 green marbles. Find the probability of drawing a red marble, not replacing it, and then drawing a green marble. To find the probability of red and green, we do the probability of red times the probability of green, given that a red was drawn. The probability of a red is 4 out of 7. There are 4 red marbles and 7 total marbles. After we draw a marble, there are 3 green marbles left and only 6 marbles left to choose from. 4/7 times 3/6, the product is 12 over 42. We can reduce that to 2/7. Example B, find the probability of each event when drawing from a standard 52-card deck without replacement. The probability of drawing 2 blacks. That means we draw a black card, don't replace it, and then draw another black card. The probability of drawing a black times the probability of drawing a black, given that a black was just drawn. There are 26 black cards out of 52 total cards. If we draw a black card, there are only 25 left out of 51 total. The product here is 650 over 2,652, which reduces to 25 over 102. The probability of drawing 4 aces means we draw an ace, and then another ace, and then a third, and then a fourth, without replacing any of the aces. So the probability of drawing 1 ace is 4 out of 52. Assuming we drew that ace, there are now only 3 aces left and 51 total cards. If we draw a second ace, now there are only 2 left in the deck out of 50 cards. If we draw that third ace, now there's only 1 left in the deck out of 49 cards. The product of these 4 fractions is 24 over 6,497,400. We can reduce that fraction to 1 over 270,725. Letter C, find the probability of drawing 3 hearts. That means we draw a heart, don't replace it, draw a second, not replace it, and then draw a third. With a standard deck, there are 13 hearts out of 52 total cards. If we draw a heart, now there are only 12 left out of 51 cards. If we draw that second heart, now there are only 11 left out of 50 cards. The product of these 3 fractions is 1,716 over 132,600. We can reduce that fraction to 11 over 850.